Alright guys, welcome back to Speed House. Today we have the Shop F30. We are going to take this thing for a cruise. If you don't know this car, it has a bigger turbo now. We upgraded the turbo to the M55 Plus Franken turbo. New bumpers. If you haven't seen our last video, we did a full walk around of the car and a drive. Not a POV drive, but we did take it for a drive. And today I figured we would take it for another one.
Low battery.
Hopefully you guys will be able to hear how crazy this car sounds. One thing we are going to be fighting is a little bit of traffic, but should still be able to find some gaps here. Second gear. Oh, this car rips. All right, let's do a launch here. Full brake, full gas. Oh, this car is so much fun. Man, right as it gets to that 2500 3K RPM, this thing just totally opens up. Get some good downshifts here. There we go. Next to the curbs, you can really hear it. Oh, so smooth. Always a Honda. Oh, we got a good tunnel coming up. Come on, guys. Here we go. She downshifted hard. Jesus Christ. I did not mean downshift that far. 30. Oh, Jesus. Hold on. I don't know why it did it that time. I don't think I fully pressed the gas. I think it was going in and out of anti-lag there. Normally it's Gage doing these POV drives, but he's working on something in the shop right now, so it is up to me. You guys get to experience with me pretty much. This is honestly my first time fully getting just this car to go and rip on and try things out, so bear with me. Oh, that's nice. Yellow. Another tunnel. Oh, that sounded good. Supra. I don't know why I just waved to him like I'm in a Supra. I kind of feel like I'm in one. C6. What, tow truck?
Tow truck, it's that arrow people.
What's that? It should be good for some noise. Oh yeah. And now it's windy. And there's potholes. This car is so much fun. If you want to see, like I've said like 3 times now, a full, you know, more breakdown list of this car and everything we've done to it, we have a video that we just did on the page doing a full breakdown of this wonderful car. And yeah, make sure you guys check it out. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.